In this video, we will be doing the numericals on the elasticity of demand. You will definitely get one numerical on the elasticity of demand or the elasticity of supply in your board exams. So, I told you that elasticity of demand, the formula is minus P by Q into change in Q by change in P, right? So from the given information we have to find out these so that we can solve our question. See, price of X falls from rupees 5 per kg to rupees 4 per kg, which means the initial price was rupees 5, new price is rupees 4, which means change in price is 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1, right? Now, the demand of consumer A for it rises from 4 kg to 6 kg. See, the initial demand was 4 kg, new demand is 6 kg. So change in quantity demanded is 6 minus 4 means new minus initial 2 kgs, right? So we can put it into the formula, which means minus, what was your P? Your initial P, 5, your initial Q was 4 kg, into change in Q is 2, and the change in price is minus 1. So 2, so you have 2.5 as your elasticity of demand for this question. Minus minus becomes plus, and you cancel this out, you get 2.5 as your answer. So elasticity of demand is greater than 1 in this question. This is the percentage or proportionate method we are using to calculate the elasticity of demand. If there is no change in the quantity demanded of commodity X, what will be the nature of price elasticity of demand? Now, to solve this question, we have to take an hypothetical example. Now, let's say your price, initial price, that is P, was equal to rupees 6. New price, that is P1, is equal to rupees 8. Now quantity demanded was 30 units, that is your Q is initial quantity demanded. Your new quantity demanded, that is Q1, is equal to, so there is no change in the quantity demanded, so you have to take again the quantity demanded at 30 units. So when we will solve this, we get the elasticity of demand, we minus P by Q into change in Q by change in P is the formula we use. The initial price is 6, your P1 is 8, so change in P is equal to P1 minus P, that is new price minus initial price, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Your quantity is 30, your Q1 is 30, your change in Q will be 0, 30 minus 30 is 0. So you have all the information with you, which is minus, your price is 6, quantity is 30, your change in quantity is 0, your change in price is 2. So you have 0 by 10, so you will get an answer 0, right? If your elasticity of demand is equal to 0, which means the demand is perfectly inelastic demand, right? You have to explain that the demand will be perfectly inelastic by solving this hypothetical example, and you have proved that the elasticity of demand is 0, which is perfectly inelastic, which means you can also show it with the help of graph. If you get a 4 marks question, this is your quantity, this is your price. So your price was 6, your quantity was 30, your price increased to 10, 8, your quantity is 30 again. So this is your elasticity of demand is equal to 0, is perfectly inelastic. So this is how you can solve this question. If it comes in a 4 marks question, you can solve it in this way. I hope you have completely understood. We will be practicing more questions on the elasticity of demand in coming videos. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.